Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a steering wheel upgrade on this beautiful Porsche 911 Turbo 997. So the original steering wheel on this vehicle doesn't have any buttons whatsoever. So if you think about the newer models, they'll have buttons on the steering wheel for volume controls, cruise control, heat, etc. This steering wheel doesn't. So today we're going to be fitting a module to a newer steering wheel in order for it to be compatible with the older 997. So we're going to talk through this installation today with a bit of B-roll thrown in as well. And then once the steering wheel's fitted, we're going to go through the functions just so you can see exactly what the end result is. So without further ado, I'm going to get cracking on with removing the steering wheel, and then we're going to bring it over to the bench and talk about the modification. So this is a factory steering wheel from Porsche, off the shelf. This isn't something that we've modified ourselves. And what makes this upgrade a lot better is that you can buy the modules from us, purpose your own steering wheel and do the modification yourself. So it's not something where you've got to order the whole complete custom steering wheel from us. You can do if you want to, but it's not essential. So in order for this modification to work, there's two parts to a kit. So if you're going from a heated steering wheel and you want a heated steering wheel on the new steering wheel, you're going to have these two parts. So this is the switch panel for the heat, and then this is the module that you're going to need in order for the controls to work on this wheel. If you do not want heat, or you do not have heat, or heat is not compatible with the new wheel, you'll just get the module itself, which transfers the controls from this steering wheel as this is set up to this steering wheel. So as you're driving along, stationary or parked, or whatever the scenario is, all your volume controls, menus and everything will work off these controls here. So what we're going to do, we're going to fit this module into this steering wheel. We're going to put the steering wheel back on the car, and then we're going to talk you through the controls. Okay, so we've fitted the module into the steering wheel. The module seats just at the bottom of the wheel there, just above the original control unit. There's various connections to make. On this particular model there's 4 because it has a heating function, with the switch being just on the back there. So 2 connections go into the original board. This is the key light and the heat support, along with this connection here just on the back. We're going to secure the module into place at the bottom of the steering wheel, and then fit the steering wheel back onto the car and show you the functions. So we've got the new upgraded steering wheel fitted. Just to reiterate, this isn't a modified example of one of our stock. This is a wheel straight off the shelf from Porsche with the module fitted inside. I'm just going to demonstrate some of the features now with the new steering wheel on. So get the ignition on. So as you can see, you do get different variations of Porsche steering wheel. You can get the ones with the extra controllers down here and extra buttons up here, but for the sake of this video, this is what we've got. So for the paddle shifters, straight away compared to the old ones, they're so much more nicer to feel, so much more nicer to engage as well. The older steering wheel can feel a little bit like you're pulling a lever instead of obviously engaging gears, and these fit the wheel really, really nicely as well. In terms of volume controls, as you can see, we've now got volume control on the steering wheel. And if we zoom in, we've also got the diamond button, which will change our menus as well. My phone isn't currently connected. If it was, you'd then get the volume to answer your call and put the call down. But as you can see, that's just a basic walkthrough of the steering wheel upgrade as it is. So if you are interested in making this modification to your vehicle, if you want to bring your 997 or any other model from the older shape steering wheel as we've spoken about before into the new one, please get in touch with us. I'll leave the contact details in the description down below. We can help you source a steering wheel. But as I mentioned with the module, the modules will be readily available, and it depends on what functions you have. So if you need heat, or you haven't got heat, or you need to retain heat, or you just want the basic upgrade, we've got a solution that suits all. So without further ado, I want to thank you very much for watching today. If you like this video, don't forget to drop us a like and subscribe for more content. So without further ado, from the Premium team, I'll see you in the next one.